So I'm going to read into the record some key discussions that I think are going to be important for me as the mover in recognition of the autonomy and authority of our communities, and including my own community, which will certainly require ongoing dialogue. This is a new day, a new beginning, a time of trust and a time to believe in ourselves. Our nation's constitution is the work of our own people over many years. They gave this to us. This is all about identity and what it means to be Anishinaabe in our terms. We are not Indians. This is what our Anishinaabe Chinook-Nagewin is about, who the Anishinaabe are and what it means in practice. This is what the Nagodwe Waganazin Anishinaabe, our Anishinaabe family, the preamble to our Anishinaabe Chinook-Nagewin tells us. This is our covenant with our Creator. We are a nation of people. In all international covenants, we fit the description of a distinct nation of people with all the rights of self-determination. Also in Canada, we have constitutionally protected rights, Aboriginal treaty rights. We have lots of rights that we have been trying to implement through negotiations, the courts, or political accords with Canada and the provinces. This does not work. We don't have to negotiate or litigate our rights in an unfriendly, just us system. We have to exercise them. We have a right to our own forms of government, the right to our own language, the right to educate our children so that we may continue as Anishinaabe, a nation of people. And we have a right to our lands and the right to a livelihood, B'Modswin. Our Nagodwe Waganazin Anishinaabe, our truth and our foundation tells us that the Creator placed Anishinaabe on the earth along with the gift of spirituality. This is who we are. We are not Indians. We need not beg for our own money from the government, then get blamed for being a burden. Nothing could be further from the truth. The Anishinaabe Chinook-Nagewin is about identity and nationhood. It is about living as Anishinaabe by exercising and implementing our rights and living up to our responsibilities. We are implementing our governments on our terms. The Creator gave us sovereignty to govern ourselves. We know we will not get this recognition from Canada or Ontario that we are entitled to. Nothing has changed. Their goal is to still get us out of the way so that they can have full and clear access to what's left of our lands and resources. The last Crown First Nation gathering was empty. It is time to create our own future. Nothing will change unless we do it. It is time to get on with doing what is right and what is best for Anishinaabe. This is about us, our lives, and how we will go forward from now on from a position of pride, dignity, and strength. This we will do as Anishinaabe. We respect and honor the past, present, and the future. Miigwech.